In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Typeform. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your form out into the world using a shareable link, an email embed, or a web page embed. First, open the Typeform website and head to the login page. Choose Continue with Google, then pick your Google account. Give it a moment to load and redirect you into your Typeform workspace. If you use a different sign-in method, the general flow is the same. Log in and land in your workspace. Once you're in, find the form you want to publish. Click the form to open it. From here, look for the Share section. This is where all your publishing options live, and it's the quickest way to distribute your form without changing the content. If you want to share a direct link, select the option to get the link. Copy it, and you're ready to distribute it anywhere: chat, social, email, or your newsletter. A quick tip: open the link in a new tab to confirm everything looks right and do a test submission so you can verify that responses are being recorded as expected. If you want to include your form in an email, choose the Embed in an Email option. Typeform will guide you through creating an email-friendly version designed to maximize clicks. Keep in mind that many email clients limit interactive content, so your embed may display as a preview with a call to action that opens the full form in the browser. That's normal. Make sure your subject line and intro text clearly explain what the form is about, and send yourself a test email before sending it to your list. If you prefer to place the form on your website, select the Embed in a web page option. Pick the style that best fits your layout, then click View Code. Copy the code that Typeform provides and paste it into the HTML of your site where you want the form to appear. This could be a dedicated page, a blog post, or a landing page. After embedding, preview your page on desktop and mobile to confirm the form loads quickly, fits the container, and doesn't overlap other elements. If needed, adjust spacing around the embed so it looks clean and professional. That's it. Log in, open your form, go to Share, and choose the method that suits your audience: link, email, or website embed. Before you roll it out widely, always do a quick test and confirm responses appear in your Typeform results. Once everything looks good, you're ready to go live.